I just got a new 3-pack water filter replacements for our Bosch refrigerator. We have the 800 series, but this particular replacement will work on several of the others. This is from CREST. The main selling point is it says it filters just as good and it is at a fraction of the cost. So affordability is a big deal for us, and so this filter is a great option. Now we've gone both ways. We've used the OEM factory original and we used some of these, and if money's tight, go with one of these. All right, so again, here's the Bosch fridge. I want to show you real quick just a couple of little tips, because you can break this little plastic cover if you're not careful. It's not hard, but underneath this cover, there's a little spot for your finger, right? Well, hurry up. Let me get the camera in the right spot. Okay, there's a little ledge right there, Bot. Open that up right there, and then pull this off, not down, not over, but at an angle, and it just follows a groove. Once you hit it, it just falls right into place. It doesn't come all the way off, it just rests there. Took me a little while to figure that one out. Anyway, everything else, the installation is what you'd expect. Just lefty-loosey, take it out. This is the original OEM from Bosch, the UltraClarity Pro. Again, part number 11032531. Then I'm going to grab one of these AQUA crests. Love the fact that there's 3 of them. And you just put it on there, kind of give it a little bit of pressure, and it'll just find the groove. And once you have it, then it's just going to be a quarter turn, that right there, just a quarter turn or more, and then it locks into place. And then I like to add the date, because after a while you forget. And I'm going to try to put these in and replace them every 6 months or so, but I typically go a little bit longer. All depends on the usage. All right, then you bring it back up at that angle and then snap it in, and that's it. So don't fidget around trying to get that plastic cover off. It just rests there at an angle. So that's the big pro tip. All right, then clean up your mess, and then always with these filters, you've got to then run 4 or 5 gallons of water through it. So run your water through it and enjoy. Hope that helps.